Hi everyone. Today is part 6 of Jazz and I's little episode or series of how we are making our mini ramp, and we're trying to show you guys how we're making it. So hopefully, if you guys ever have an interest in doing it, you guys will have an idea on how we've done it and ideas to make it work. So in this particular part, we're going to be talking about how to attach the coping to the ramp. As you can see here, if Jazz gets a shot, I've already got these attached, and they are attached with what's called a JBolt, and this is a JBolt right here. As you can see, this is a 3/8 inch in diameter stainless steel JBolt, and this basically what you do is it hooks into the pipe and pulls it to the ramp. So how you attach this, if Jazz will back up and we'll get alongside of the ramp, and I'll show you guys kind of what I did here. Okay, so I have 5 attachment points. This is a 12-foot wide ramp. I got 5 attachment points. I think that's plenty. So basically what you do is you get yourself some clamps like this, and you get your coping in the channel where you want it, and clamp these down so they're nice and tight up against the ramp, just how it's going to be. Once you got them clamped up, you're going to take this drill bit, and you're going to look from the side. If Jazz can get a shot of the side, you can see if you look from the side when you're drilling this, you'll be able to kind of get an idea on the angle of which to make this so that it connects to the bottom of the pipe. You basically want to have it come up to right there on there. So to start this drilling process, it's going to be difficult to start drilling this at an angle like this. So basically what you do is you start it straight and then slide it up at an angle like that, and then make your little hole. See, I've already made this hole. But to start it, you kind of have to go straight in like this a little bit, and then start turning this and get it at the angle you want, and then drill all the way up and through the pipe. I've drilled through the pipe with the clamps down. Some guys are marking the pipe and then taking the pipe off and then drilling the holes once the pipe is on the ground. I just went ahead and drilled right through here, and drilled right through there and made the clean holes, took them off. So basically, once you drill your holes, you unclamp your little clamps here. Got these nice and loose. You know, sometimes you might need 2 people, but you lift your coping up, get it out, find that hole, put that J hook in there, spin it around, find the hole there. Where is it? Right about there. And there. Nice. Now
like it creates a fish hook.
Yeah. It hooks
so it doesn't loosen up like a regular screw.
Correct.
Uh-huh. I see.
I've got myself some stainless steel, big washer there, and a lock washer to keep it tight, and just put your nut on there. You know, you guys get the gist of it. You get to put your nut on there and tighten it all down. So that's basically it. I'm not going to bore you guys with tightening all these down, but that's basically it. You put the J-hook in there, your washers, your nuts, tighten this down, and it ain't going nowhere. Make sure you get stainless steel for exterior.
Yeah.
So that, in a nutshell, this is a real short video, is just a little quick overview on how I've got this coping attached. So I've got my 1 layer of plywood on the ramp, as you can see, and the coping is now will be attached here in just a few minutes. I got everything drilled out and all the J-hooks in. I just got to put these nuts and washers in. We'll put a link down below where we got these J-bolts, because they were really hard to get. We had to get them from like a tractor supply place, but we'll put them in the link down below.
Farm supply.
Yeah, because all I could find was zinc, and you could spray some protective coating on it, but I wanted stainless steel. So we had to do a lot of research and finally got these. So anyway, hope you guys found this video helpful. We're going to continue doing this series until we get this ramp done, so you guys can see the finished product. I know it's kind of taken a long time, but it's our first time doing this. So it's been a lot of fun, and we're having a lot of fun. So again, hopefully you guys found the tips useful. into this video, and until next time, we'll see you guys. Thank you very much for checking out our channel. We really appreciate it as always, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Have a good day.